Let's see what we have in the Xbox Series X fridge today. Could it be some next-gen consoles to unbox? We've got the Series S as our appetizer, Series X as main course. So I guess we'll start with our appetizer, Series S. I figure I should probably use the same knife that I used to unbox the refrigerator. It's only fair. Wow, I forgot how small the Series S is. Oh my goodness. Previously I had the prototype version, and then after unboxing the PlayStation 5, this really does look like an appetizer. So we have the console. This box is very nicely designed. And what's this? This looks like a do not disturb door hanger that you would find on your hotel room. Some instructions, power cable, HDMI cable, and the controller. So fresh, so clean. Wow, that feels nice. And some batteries. I'm living my dream right now, not even joking. Wow, look at this, it's so small. It's great because if you do want a digital-only version of the new next-gen console, this is the one for you. It's small, it's extremely portable. Like, I think this is gonna be my travel Xbox now. You can also have your storage expansion, it has HDMI, 2 USB ports, Ethernet, power. You also have a USB-A on the front as well. This looks clean, like super clean. Look how good they look together. So the Series S is unboxed. This is purely just an unboxing. I will be doing follow-up videos on both of these consoles, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. But now, time for our main course. So the first thing that you might notice if you saw my fridge unboxing video, this box is identical to the box that this refrigerator came in. This opened up, the refrigerator came out of it. Same everything. They made a complete 100% replica of this box to put that refrigerator in. I guess this is gonna be my second unboxing of the Series X. Oh my God! I could have cut my leg off.
Is it really sharp? Like, is it actually sharp?
Yeah. Do you know how quickly you can bleed out? Like, very quickly. Yeah. I've done research. Look at this packaging. This is a very nice presentation. It's just like, hello, I'm here, power your dreams. My dreams are powered. Look at this. Ooh, that's heavy. Right, I bet we have pretty much the same stuff in here. Instructions, power cable, HDMI, and the controller. There's something else in here? Nope. Here it goes. Can you believe how much this looks like the refrigerator? Like, this looks exactly like it. I'm shook. The best part is even these top vents, that's also on the refrigerator. Like, they really did go all out. They made this thing look exact. We've got our USB expansion, Ethernet, HDMI, and power. So here's the Series X. This does have a 1 terabyte drive already installed in it, but it also does have an expansion card slot, so you are able to expand that. I mean, some of these games are so massive. I mean, even just Call of Duty, like waiting for those things to download. I gotta prep a day in advance because my internet is so terrible. So here's the Series X, here's the Series S. If you are looking for just a digital version, obviously this is gonna be the way to go. This is so small and so compact. You're still gonna get your 120 hertz refresh rate gaming, which is incredible, but the size is, it's like about half. There, There, it's actually less than half. So small. Here's what they look like laying down. The one thing with the PlayStation is it does have a little stand that you have to put it on so that you can lay it down, whereas these do have little feet already on the side so you can just plop it right over. The one thing that I will not get into is a console PC war. I love everything. I love Nintendo, I love PlayStation, I love Xbox, I also love PC gaming. So if you're here to just kind of fight about that, just let people like what they like. You can like what you like, I don't care. Gaming is supposed to be fun, so just enjoy it. Stop fighting, even though I know you guys aren't gonna stop fighting, so. So here's the controllers. I have always been a fan of like white consoles because most of the time a lot of my entertainment centers are either really dark, so I like being able to actually see the console inside of it. Right now the console that I have my main TV on is like a really dark wood, so it's basically like my Xbox is completely lost inside of it. Like you can't even see it in there. It's like active camouflage. So that was just a quick unboxing. I look forward to covering these further. So until then, I will see you guys on the internet. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitch for any gameplay streaming that I'll be doing on next gen consoles, Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe and hit the bell here on YouTube. Let's see what you look like inside the fridge. I will say though, the cooling on this thing, the fridge and the Series X, pretty impressive. My gosh, did you think that this is what was gonna happen today? Look at this. I'm gonna put my controller in there. It's something we did.